In celebration of Earth Day, but of course in our office Earth Day is every day, and hopefully it is for you also. We are going to talk about trash. We're going to talk about things that are thrown away or were thrown away that are no longer being thrown away. And we just wanted to share the news with you, and then I have a question at the very end. I hope I remember to ask you. So what I have a little table full of stuff here, and I'm going to show you what we have. Plastic. Now, one of the challenges that we've had over the years is agricultural plastic. Farmers have wanted to do something with it, and the only solution we had was putting it in a dumpster and landfilling it. That's not the best solution, and guess what? We don't have to do that anymore. We actually had a company called Revolution Plastics come into our county, and it come into a lot of other counties in the state, but they started recycling plastic. We formed a partnership with Revolution Plastics, and we collect the plastic now from agricultural, mostly from dairy farmers, but you can take it from any farmer that uses the agricultural plastic. Also nurseries, we can take their plastic. There's some real specific specs that we need, and you can definitely give our office a call, but we now recycle that plastic, and it's at a real economic rate for you. So just a couple examples is that agricultural plastic gets recycled, and then they make it into something different, which I think is just really exciting. So just a couple different things on the specifics of the agricultural, and it's actually boat plastic and nursery plastic. So if you have those kind of plastics and you don't have our agricultural recycling dumpster yet, agricultural plastic recycling dumpster yet, give our office a call, 218-846-7310, and we'd be glad to share that information with you. It's really pretty simple. All we do is we have you sign a service agreement with us that we go out and pick it up for you. You actually prepay for 2 pickups, $60 per pickup, so $120 ahead of time, and then if you have any more than 2 pickups in 1 year, we bill you in the next year. Pretty simple. And then you sign an agreement with Revolution Plastics for a container at no charge. You just sign the agreement, and then you get to use that dumpster at no charge. So for questions, please call 218-846-7310. So I want to tell you about what kind of plastics. We have boat plastics. You know, the blue boat plastic, we'll take that. And even if they use white, we'll take that. Nursery plastic, and generally that's a darker or black plastic. And then agriculture plastic, like silage wrap. Have you ever driven down a road and you see those big long rows of plastic? That's what we're talking about. That plastic, not the ones with the netting, not the reinforced plastic part, but the one that covers the big silage rows, that's the plastic we want. And so we have you collect that. Revolution Plastics has you sign a contract with them. It's just for usage of their containers at no cost. Then you sign a service agreement with us for picking up the plastic. And real simple, we charge $60 per container, per pull actually. And so if we charge ahead of time $60, and we charge you for 2 pulls a year, and then if you have any additional pulls, we charge you the following year for those pulls. So it's $120 at the beginning, and then if you have additional pulls, we'll charge you next year. Really simple. And that plastic gets recycled. It is so exciting here. And I just wanted to show you kind of what they make with it, and then I have some really exciting news that I'm really excited about. So this plastic is what they take, that agriculture plastic, and they make it into little white pellets. So then they can make it into something else, and I'm going to show you what else they make with it. It's just, they look like little, maybe, you know what, I'm going to take some out because they're just kind of cool looking, and they're just white plastic pellets is all they are. Pretty simple. And so this used to be agriculture plastic, this used to be boat plastic, and they're making it into little pellets. And then from those pellets, it goes into garbage bags. And these are actually, you can buy these locally. pull through Fargo. You can buy them through there. So a lot of businesses already use these. That's recycled plastic. Much of what you use, and you can look on your box that you buy your bags with. That's Revolution. It's called Revolution Bag, and I have a great little flyer. If you want any information, please give our office a call. But I'm just one little great trick we have. We had a business that said, we have some plastic we'd like to recycle. Dynamic Homes had some, they wrapped their houses in plastic. They want to recycle that. Guess what? We can do that now through Revolution Plastics. It's the right kind of plastic. And then also they have insulation bags. And we can recycle that through Revolution Plastics. So if you have any questions, call 218-846-7310. And you remember that question I was going to ask you? This is it. If you have anything at your place of business that you'd like to recycle, please give our office a call. We'll do our best to help you recycle it. We'll do our best. 218-846-7310.